In today's video, I want to share with you 3 epic breakfast ideas with pumpkin. I'm going to show you how to make incredible pumpkin French toast, a pumpkin baked oatmeal that's hearty and delicious, and the fluffiest pancakes ever. Hi, I'm Laura, and if this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I share lots of family-friendly recipes, not just breakfast. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button with the bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video is released every single week. At first, this pumpkin French toast, which has crispy edges just the way we like it. First, we're gonna mix some eggs in a shallow dish. We wanna get these nice and combined. I'm gonna add some pumpkin puree, some vanilla, and pumpkin spice. You're gonna stir this around to create a mixture, which we're gonna use to soak our bread slices. Thicker bread slices always work better. And once they soak on the first side, we're gonna flip them over and let them soak up some of this delicious pumpkin mixture on the other side. I like to cook these on medium-high heat. Let's melt some butter in a hot pan, place our French toast right over the heat source, and once they're cooked and crispy on the first side, I'm gonna flip them over. And once flipped, I'm gonna put the lid on so they can finish cooking on the other side. We're gonna remove them from our plate. It's so simple, just takes 5 minutes, drizzle some maple syrup, and they're good to go. Up next is our baked pumpkin oatmeal. It's so good. To make this super simple, let's just combine some oats, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. This is the base. And then our wet ingredients, which are milk, anyone you like, some eggs, which are gonna hold this mixture all together, some vanilla, and melted butter. To this, we're gonna add our star of the show, which is canned pumpkin, and a little honey or maple syrup to make this sweeter, some pumpkin spice or cinnamon. I'm gonna leave the ingredients below for you in the description box. And to the wet mixture, we add our dry mixture. This is super easy. We simply whisk together to combine, and we're gonna bake the mixture in a greased dish, which we are gonna place in a preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's cooked solid in the middle. And all you have to do is serve it nice and hot. You can eat it as is or with a little brown sugar or even a dollop of yogurt, which is delicious, and some nuts over the top. Up next are some epic pumpkin spice pancakes. Making these is super easy. Just mix your dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Then, of course, some cinnamon or pumpkin spice, a little bit of brown sugar. We're gonna mix this dry mixture around and combine it. And to it, we're gonna add an egg, some melted butter, and of course, pumpkin, and some milk. You can use regular or dairy-free milk for this recipe, and we're gonna whisk this directly in the bowl first to break down the egg, and then from the outside in, we're gonna combine this batter until it's just combined. To cook these pancakes, just use a nonstick pan or a heated large skillet, which you can grease with butter or oil. And I like to pour about 1/4 of a cup per pancake onto the surface. We're gonna cook the first side for about 2 minutes until the edges are defined and you see little bubbles form. And after that, you're gonna flip them, cook the second side for another minute, remove them, repeat the process with the rest, and build yourself a nice stack and drizzle some syrup over the top. Weren't those pumpkin breakfast ideas incredible? Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna make first, and make sure to remember to grab the recipe right below the video in the description box. See you next time.